Namaskar. Welcome to Anska Academy. So today's lecture we'll be learning about Robert Owen. Who is Robert Owen? What were his ideas in the context of Russian Revolution? Robert Owen. You can see on the picture Robert Owen. Who is he? Robert Owen was an English manufacturer, a leading English manufacturer who sought to build a cooperative community called New Harmony in Indiana, in United States of America. So Robert Owen was a leading English manufacturer who wanted to build a society, a cooperative known as cooperative community called New Harmony in Indiana, USA. Socialists felt that cooperatives could not be built on a wider scale because again it becomes an individual initiative. Again it becomes an individual initiative. It cannot be built by individuals. So socialists demanded that governments should encourage the cooperatives. So Robert Owen was a leading English manufacturer and sought to build a cooperative community called Indiana, New Harmony in Indiana in USA, where socialists objected this view that cooperatives could not be built on a larger scale or a wide scale only through individual initiative. So we need government's support for this. So socialists demanded that governments should encourage cooperatives. Not only the socialists, Louis Blanc in France, he also wanted the governments to encourage cooperatives and replace the capitalist enterprises. He also was against the capitalist enterprises. So he told that the government has to encourage cooperative societies to grow and replace the capitalist enterprises. Now, these cooperatives were to be associations of people who produced the goods together and divided the profits according to the work done by the members. Now, the logic is very clear. They want the associations of people, those who are working in the factories. Those who are working in the factories should form an association and they should together decide the dividends of the profit for who is working hard. Based on the work done by the members, the profit share has to be divided equally for all the members. That was the view of the socialists. Let us all work together. Let us all share the wealth together. Maybe that's what the idea is. As my understanding goes, socialists want the wealth to be shared equally and also to be owned equally. Let us all have collective responsibility. Let us all work together and let us all share the wealth rather than it being concentrated on only few people's hands. This is the idea which I come to understand after this slide. So Robert Owen, initially he wanted to build with his own money a cooperative community for which the objections were raised, saying that it cannot be built on a larger scale. So they demanded the cooperation of governments. Similarly, in France also, we have Louis Blanc from 1813 to 1882. He wanted the government to encourage cooperatives and replace the capitalist enterprises. Now, when they are talking about the cooperatives, that are nothing but the associations of people. Now, which people? The people, those who are working hard in the factories or the industries. Those people's associations have to be formed. They have to decide the profits according to the work that is being done. So in simple words, let us all work together Let us all earn profits. Let us all share the profits. That's all we have in today's session. Thank you.